my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go into Dollar Tree and check out all the new stuff. Hopefully we find a lot of cute new fall items. I'm going to share with you the shop with me video, and at the end, whatever I purchase, I will go ahead and share it here, a mini haul at the end of this video. So if you enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up so I know to film more of these for you. And without further ado, let's go ahead and go right into Dollar Tree.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going oh, you got me going oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love you. Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can this place. I'll take you anywhere.
Friends, so I hope the lighting is okay here. We're gonna work with what I have. I'm trying to put this a little bit more low, but it doesn't allow me to. So I'm gonna share with you the things that we found at Dollar Tree. So we're gonna start off with these. These are peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. I was really intrigued by these. Hopefully they're good. So I went ahead and picked these up, only $1. Went ahead and picked up this honey sweet cornbread mix. I'm not sure how well this is or if it's yummy or tasty, but we're gonna try it out. I'll let you know how it works out for us. I was super excited to see this brand here, Craisins, and these are just cranberries. These are super good, like in chicken salad. So this little pack, which is about 4.5 ounces, it was only $1. So I think that's a good deal. I'm not sure, but we went ahead and picked this up. So these are some of my favorites and my brother's favorites. So these are basically just sweet tart ropes, and these are amazing. We love to have these with popcorn, like on a movie night. So we went ahead and picked up 2 packs of these. Talking about movie nights, we also went ahead and picked up some popcorn. We just picked up the movie theater butter kind. This one has 3 bags, and it's only $1 for the 3 bags of popcorn. We also picked up some yummy fudge brownies. My brother absolutely loves these, so he went back to work recently, so I'm going to be treating him to some brownies, and I went ahead and picked this up. I couldn't pass it up, only $1, and it is a pretty big box. It says it is a 1 pound. So I'm super excited to bake these for him. Sticking with cooking and all of that, I picked up some basil leaves right here. I didn't have any of these, and then some cilantro leaves right here. So these are just very essential in the kitchen for us. So I went ahead and picked them up because for $1, you cannot beat that. So I also picked up some of these placards. They look like this right here in the back. These are absolutely amazing. We usually buy a lot of these and have them in stock because we just can't get enough of these, and it's only $1 for a pack of 60 of these. So went ahead and picked up a couple of packs of these. And last but not least, since I will be filming a lot and also pre-filming some videos because I want to have them ready for you all, I went ahead and picked up a planner. This is just a student planner, but I'm not going to be using it for school. I will be using it for like YouTube videos and all of that. So it does come with the calendar. Then if you flip the page, it will give you like a section for each day. So I thought this was a cute one. There was not a lot of variety left since school has already begun for some students. So I just went ahead and picked this one up. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. I need to pre-film and do a lot of videos. So leave your requests down below of what you want to see here on my YouTube channel, and I will get to filming those for you. And that's about it, my friends. That's everything I picked up at Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, friends.